Hi guys, this is Vamsi Reddy. So currently pursuing BTech Robotics and Automation in LPU.
And he got 1 crore package. So, hey everyone and again welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Alok Pandey and आज मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो जो कि आप देख रहे हो मेरे बैकग्राउंड में आपको आवाज आ रहा होगा. Yes, so this video is all about placement day of LPU and today's date is 26th Feb 2020-25 जो कि आज के दिन LPU में प्लेसमेंट डे सेलिब्रेट होता है एवरी ईयर. सो इस बार जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं उनका प्लेसमेंट हो चुका है. अच्छी अच्छी कंपनीज आई लाइक जुपिटर, सर्विस नाउ, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, अमेजॉन एंड बहुत सारी कंपनीज और बहुत सारे उनके एचआर्स आए यहाँ पे. हम उनका इंटरव्यू हुआ, सारे राउंड्स हुए, सारे चीज़ हुए. उसके बाद आज जा करके सारे लोग प्लेसमेंट होने के बाद अपने प्लेसमेंट डे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. सो इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हमारे सीनियर्स से और जो भी प्लेस्ड हो चुके हैं स्टूडेंट्स LPU में अभी तक के. इसमें हम बात करेंगे कैसा उनका इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस था, कौन कौन सी कंपनीज में उन्होंने अप्लाई किया, कितने बार फेल हुए और उनका पैकेज क्या है एंड कौन से लोकेशन पे वो जा रहे हैं. सो दिस वीडियो इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गाइस. आई नो कि आज का दिन जो है कि बहुत ही स्पेशल है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो हाय भैया.
Hi.
प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू माय व्यूअर्स.
Hi guys, this is Vamsi Reddy. So currently pursuing BTech Robotics and Automation in LPU.
And he got 1 crore package. Like his holdings are everywhere in LPU and in our UMS as well. So bhaiya, how you are feeling?
I mean, no words to express actually.
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, I never imagined that I would be. I thought I'll be getting a normal job, but this is beyond my expectation.
Exactly. So like what type of projects you have worked on?
So actually used to work in Innovation Studio.
Yeah.
There you can see some go-karts, some cars, and even some robots also.
Yeah.
So I actually build them. So I have a team. So with that team I actually used to build them in my free time. So after 5 o'clock every day we used to go there. So we used to build robots over there. So
That's why you have deserved better than others because you have worked after 5.
Yeah.
And like bhaiya, you are from which state
So I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
and you are from which batch?
Batch in the sense this. So 2025. I mean this year I'll be passing out.
Okay. And so like what was your main programming language?
So coming to program, I mean robotics is not only about programming.
Yeah.
So it's actually like multiple things. So mechanically designing will be involved, electronics will be involved, and programming. So coming to program, we actually work on Python and C++.
Yeah. Okay. And like what message you want to give to your mentors who mentored you? Because-
Mentors I can't give any message because of them I was here.
Yeah.
So students I can give just enjoy the process and learn. That's it. Yeah.
And like, do you have any regrets? I don't think so. You have.
I have regrets.
Like what?
I mean, like generally see all the people in LPU, generally we have a lot of tech fest and all.
Yeah.
So not tech fest, sorry, what do you say, DJ nights and all.
Yeah.
I used to avoid them and I used to make some projects. So right now I'm feeling like I should have probably attended few events.
Okay.
Yeah.
And like your company is situated in which state? Like where you are? They are calling
So
you?
it's in Noida currently.
In Noida.
Yeah.
Okay. And like, what is your future plan?
Future plan? I mean,
Like
I'll
now-
be working right now. Nothing about future here. I am just I'm like go with flow person. So I'm not
Do
planning.
you have any plans to go for masters? Because you are a brilliant
As
student.
of now, no. I'm not at all a brilliant student, bro.
Huh. Okay. So I want to know your CGPA.
That's a secret. That's a secret.
Okay, no issue. No. Okay, भैया, so you have to introduce yourself. What's your good name and आप कौन सी कंपनी में placed हुए हो and क्या कोर्स कर रहे थे?
Hello everyone, my name is Harry Singh. I am placed in Genpact with 26.50 LPA. I am currently pursuing my MBA from Lovely Professional University, which is current specialization is digital marketing and human resource.
Okay, great. So like how was your experience in your interviews?
Actually, I have been attending interview of Trident Company, which is also 18 LPA, and one more thing which is Federal, which is 16 LPA. The interviews was tough, and the GD we need to crack it. So Genpact interview they had 8 round of interviews. 8 round. The final round is a rapid fire with 8 domain people. They are going to ask questions one by one. We need to reply as fast as we can. So the interviews was tough, but actually from an MBA we need to gain the knowledge, and from my domain which is digital marketing and human resource which is basically known for hiring and recruiting. So from that I am able to crack the interview. That's it.
Okay, great. Like your package is really good. So like what advice would you give to your juniors who are preparing?
Actually, from the role which I acquired is CM, which is content moderation and team leader.
Okay.
Both the roles are different. One is team leader. I need to handle a team of 15 members, and the content moderation we need to see into the legal aspects of it. So the role I acquired is slightly different from the MBA which I am pursuing. So basically I had experience also in I have a work experience. So this role is going to give me a great opportunity in my career to kickstart a new journey, a new life, and this role can help me to throughout the career to shift into any MNCs. Gempact is a great MNC.
Yeah.
Which I can acquire my knowledge and I can acquire some experience through it and shift into another MNCs.
Okay, great. So like your company location is in
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. And what advice would you give to your juniors like who are preparing for placements?
Basically, for juniors, I would like to tell them kickstart your career from today itself. Prepare your CVs, work on your communication skills, work on your interviews and group discussions. You need to keep yourself first, others after, because in GD, no one is going to give a chance for you. You need to kick and put yourself first in that.
Okay, so hi Utkarsh, please introduce yourself to my viewers.
So I know Alok from my 4th semester, right?
Yeah.
We were in the same section together, and my name is Utkarsh. I have been recently placed in Vision Technology, and I'm supposed to join in the next week.
Okay, great. So Utkarsh, कैसा था experience interview का?
The experience of interview was good. Ironically, we stayed in the campus till midnight, 12:30. We got to know that we all got hired around 12:15 a.m. And then 2 points I'd like to mention that, especially in the technical interview rounds, you are not supposed to give up. So if you are trying to crack down the solution and the logic of the problem, they will give you some kinds of hints and clear you for the next rounds. And when it comes to the behavioral questions and HR rounds, you just need to speak up and communicate everything you want to communicate to them. Basically, there should not be any regrets that after you reach your rooms or your homes that I maybe should have said this or I skipped saying this.
Okay, thanks. This is very useful. Okay, hi aunty, प्रणाम. आपको कैसा लग रहा है उत्कर्ष का प्लेसमेंट हो गया है तो अभी?
मैं बता नहीं सकती हूँ कि मैं कितनी खुश हूँ आज
जी.
तो सबसे पहले तो मैं यहाँ लवली की टीचरों का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि जिन्होंने हमारे बच्चे को इस काबिल बनाया है
जी. वैसे ही उस काबिल है ही. क्लास
नहीं,
में भी हमेशा टाइम से आता था, हमेशा सीरियसनेस रहता था, और आपका मतलब जो आपका सपना था वो तो अभी पूरा हो
पूरा
गया.
हो गया. बहुत खुशी है, बता नहीं सकते.
हाँ,
हाँ जी.
समझ आ रहा. उत्कर्ष, अपनी मम्मी के लिए कुछ बोलना चाहते हो?
ये स्पेशली मैं डे स्कॉलर था तो मैं अपने घर से ही आता था. सो मम्मी ने स्कूल के बाद कॉलेज में भी सुबह उठ के गीज़र ऑन किए विंटर्स में और मुझे टिफ़िन बॉक्सेस पैक करके दिए. और हाँ, सही था, अमेजिंग था यार घर पे रहना.
So thank you so much for
Yeah, thank
giving
you
me
so
your
much,
time.
thank you.
And if you will be free after some times in online mode also, we can do podcast.
Definitely. I'll let you know.
Thank you so much भैया. Thank you so much भैया. Thank you. So yes guys, ये था इस वीडियो के बारे में जिसमें हमने LPU के प्लेस्ड स्टूडेंट्स से बात किया जो कि 2025 बैच में अभी तक प्लेस्ड हो चुके हैं, जिसमें हम लोगों ने उनका एक्सपीरियंस पूछा LPU का, उनका इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस, कोडिंग राउंड इंटरव्यू, टेस्ट का एक्सपीरियंस, उनके मम्मा पापा का क्या रिएक्शन था. सो ये था इस वीडियो के बारे में. एंड बने रहिए मेरे साथ, मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल के साथ, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू आलोक स्पीक्स फॉर मोर अपडेट्स. सो थैंक यू.